how to turn on suggest your account to your Facebook friends on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You go first and you open TikTok. After this, when your TikTok is opening, as you see here, it will open at home automatically. You will just go down on your profile and open your profile. Then when your profile guys it's opening, you will just go here on this three line and click, and then go to settings and privacy, then go to privacy, and then go to suggest your account to others, and then you will find the second Facebook friends. You will just turn on like this, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next